Hi everybody, it's Dave Dunbar from General Pipe Cleaners. You know, one of the questions that we are asked sometimes is if you get a Flexi-Rooter 100 and you want to put an extra 25-foot extension on the front of the flexible shaft in order to reach further, to do a job that's a little bit further away. How do you do that? Well, only 50 feet will fit on the machine. You can't get 75 foot on here, although we do supply an extra 25-foot extension for a lot of the machines. What you have to do is put that 25 foot in the drain first. So basically, we take the chain knocker and we take that off by loosening the flexible shaft coupler at the front. Okay, so that just comes right out of there. And then take your 25-foot extension and stretch it out in a gentle arc around whatever space you happen to be in. Hopefully you have enough space to do this with 25 feet. And then take the back end, that would be this end, and insert it exactly where you had the chain knocker on the machine before. Just push it in to the front of the flexible shaft coupler, and using the largest of the 3 Allen keys, you tighten it down. Okay. So now that you have this attached to the flexible shaft that was originally on the machine, we can take the chain knocker and put it on the new front end of your flexible shaft. So the front end of the extension also has a flexible shaft coupler, the same as this one. So we take your chain knocker and insert. Take the chain knocker and insert it into flexible shaft coupler. And then tighten it down. After you have the chain knocker on the end of the 25-foot extension, you're ready to go to work. Again, take the 25-foot extension and put it in a gentle sweep around to where you're going to insert it into the drain. The tighter the circle, the more friction develops between the flexible shaft and the sheath. Okay, so it will cause wear and tear on the machine and slow you down. So make a gentle sweep and then insert it into the drain, and you can continue working. Okay, just as before. You'll only run the flexible shaft machine, only run the Flexi-Rooter 100 when you're in a bend that needs to go around using a bump and run technique, or if you've encountered the obstruction, in which case you go gently, pushing it, not actually engaging the chains and the cutter so that they could get caught, but just using the speed to do what they do best. Okay? Any questions, feel free to call 800-245-6200. Talk to the Drain Brains. General Pipe Cleaners, toughest tools down the line.